Nowadays we are hearing that the government want to make the constitutional court law. Let's see what is constitutional courts. A constitutional court is a high court that primarily deals with the constitutional law. It aims, the authority is to rule on the whether laws or actions by the government are unconstitutional, whether they are conflict with the constitutional established rules and rights and freedom. The concept of constitutional court was first implemented in Austria in 1919. This idea, known as the Austrian system, was influenced by the constitutional theories of Harris Clinton and has been since adopted by many countries. Before, the countries like US, Canada and Australia had adopted judicial review within their general court system. The primary purpose of the constitutional court is to ensure the supremacy of the constitution by reviewing the constitutionality of law and the government action, to protect the fundamental rights by providing legal avenue for the individuals to challenge law that infringe on their constitutional right, maintain checks and balances among the branches of the government, ensuring the legislative and the executive actions comply with the constitutional provision, benefits protection of rights of constitutional court, safeguards individual rights against unconstitutional laws and the government actions, legal clarity. They provide authoritative interpretation of constitutional provision, ensuring consistency in the application of the law, checks and balances. By reviewing the actions of the legislative and executive branches, the constitutional courts help to maintain a balance of power within the government. Disadvantages: judicial activism. There is a risk of constitutional courts overstepping the boundaries and engaging in the judicial activism, which can lead to conflicts with the other branches of the government. Political influences. The appointment process of the constitutional judges can be highly politicized, potentially compromising the court's independence. Resources. Initiative. Establishing and maintaining a constitutional court can be resource intensive, requiring significant financial and administrative support. Countries with the constitutional courts are around 85 countries have constitutional courts, including Austria, Germany, Italy, Spain, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, Czech Republic, Armenia. They have the constitutional court. So now we see, are these courts are good for Pakistan? In current legal system, Pakistan uses Supreme Court for the constitution review. The Supreme Court has played a crucial role in ensuring the law and the government actions comply with the constitution. Potential benefits: establishing a separate constitutional courts can be enhance the focus of on the constitutional issues, provide more specialized judicial review, and the potential reduce on burden on Supreme Court. Challenges: given Pakistan political landscape and the appointment process for the constitutional judge could become highly politicized and potentially affected the court's independence. Additionally, the financial and the administrative resources required to establish a new court could be significant. In conclusion, while a constitutional court could offer specialized and focused judicial review, carefully consideration must be given to the potential challenges, particularly regarding the political influence and the resources allocation. The existing Supreme Court system in Pakistan is already providing a reboost mechanism for constitutional review, and any other challenges, the aim should be that any judicial system should provide relief to the people.